Are you ready to turn your writing dreams into reality? Seeing your very own book on the world's largest online marketplace is amazing. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to self-publish your first book on Amazon KDP. I'll cover everything you need to know to become a published author. Let's dive in and get your book out there for the world to read. Let us know first, what is Amazon KDP? So, Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, is a self-publishing platform provided by Amazon that allows authors and publishers to independently publish their books directly to Kindle and paperback formats. It offers a straightforward and user-friendly interface for authors to upload their manuscripts, create book covers, set pricing, and distribute their books to millions of potential readers worldwide through Amazon's global reach. Authors can retain control over their publishing process, including rights, pricing, and distribution options. KDP also provides tools and resources to help authors track sales, royalties, and customer reviews. It supports various book formats such as novels, nonfiction, textbooks, and even children's books, catering to a wide range of genres and audiences. Additionally, KDP offers opportunities for authors to enroll their books in programs like KDP Select, which provides benefits such as inclusion in Kindle Unlimited, Amazon's subscription service for readers, and promotional tools like Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotions. This platform has empowered many authors to reach global audiences and earn royalties while maintaining flexibility and control over their publishing journey. Step 1. Signing in. The first step is to visit kdp.amazon.com. If you already have an account, click on Sign In. If not, click on Join KDP to create one. After signing in, you will be directed to your account page. Here, you need to enter your tax information and bank account details to ensure you receive payments. The process is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Step 2. Creating an ebook. Next, to upload your book, go to Create, where you can choose between ebooks and paperbacks. We'll start with an ebook. First, select the language. If your book is in English, leave it set to English. Then, enter your book title and subtitle. For example, here's a book I wrote recently. If your book is part of a series, you can create a new series. If not, you can skip this step. You can also skip the edition number. For the author name, enter your name or pen name, and if you have any contributors, you can add them as well. For the description, you should detail what your book is about and include a call to action that encourages people to purchase it. If you don't already have a description, you can easily create one using ChatGPT, a free AI tool. Simply ask it to write an Amazon product description for a book on digital nomadism, providing some context for better results. For example, I used the title, How to Become a Digital Nomad, along with the subtitle. In just a few seconds, it generated a solid book description. You can refine it as needed, but it's a great starting point. Copy and paste this description into the appropriate section. Next, address the publishing rights. If your book isn't a public domain work, select I own the copyright. For the primary audience, choose No for sexually explicit content unless it applies to your book. Setting the reading age is optional. For the Amazon Marketplace, keep the default setting unless your book is in a different language. Choose up to 3 relevant categories for your book. In the keyword section, enter phrases that potential readers might use in the Amazon search bar to find a book on your topic. Avoid using the exact keywords from your title and subtitle since your book will already rank for those. Instead, use variations. For instance, if your book is about becoming a digital nomad, consider keywords like how to make money online, passive income ideas, passive income strategies, and similar phrases. Step 3. Ready to publish. Next, click on I'm ready to release my book now, and then save and continue. I typically skip the Digital Rights Management (DRM) option. Proceed to upload your manuscript, which can be either an EPUB file or a Word document. Upload your book cover as well. While you can create a cover using Amazon KDP, I recommend using a custom cover for a more professional appearance. Indicate whether your content is AI generated. This is just for survey purposes, and there are no penalties for using AI-generated content. Use the previewer to ensure everything, including hyperlinks, looks correct. Once you are satisfied, click Save and Continue. Step 4. ISBN and distribution. For the ISBN, opt for the free KDP ISBN unless you already have one. Next, choose the paper type. I typically go with black and white interior with white paper. Set the trim size to 5x8 and select No Bleed unless your book requires it. For the cover finish, I prefer a matte finish. Upload both your paperback manuscript and cover in PDF format. Respond to the AI-generated content question just as you did for the ebook. Preview the book to ensure everything looks correct. Any errors will be displayed on the left side of the screen. Step 5. Pricing. After verifying everything, approve it. For pricing, I suggest choosing Expanded Distribution, which enables Amazon to sell your book on other platforms. Determine your price based on your book's topic and length by reviewing your competitors' pricing. For a shorter book, I set the launch price at $7.97 and the regular price at $9.99 or $11.99. Finally, click Publish your paperback. Step 6. Hardcover version. Optional. You can also upload a hardcover version following similar steps, but you may need to reformat your cover dimensions. Step 7. Checking sales. To monitor sales, navigate to the Reports section. From there, you can filter results by marketplaces, authors, specific books, and more. Consider converting your book into an audiobook for distribution on audible.com. This is just optional. Step 8. Marketing and next steps. With your book now available on Amazon, the crucial next step involves marketing. This is an outline of a step-by-step approach to earning up to $11,000 through Amazon KDP. Publishing your book on Amazon through KDP offers a straightforward process to reach a global audience. Starting with preparation, ensuring your manuscript and cover are ready, you proceed to sign in or join KDP at kdp.amazon.com. After setting up your account with tax and payment information, you can begin creating your ebook or paperback by entering essential details and uploading your files. Once published, you have the option to enroll in programs like KDP Select for additional benefits. Monitoring sales through detailed reports allows you to adjust strategies as needed. Remember, effective marketing is key to gaining reviews and boosting sales. Now that you've learned how to publish your book on Amazon KDP, here's a question for you. What genre would you publish your first book in? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on affiliate marketing and publishing strategies. And remember, click the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into advanced marketing techniques to boost your book sales. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.